to go. Hello friends, how are you today? Let's learn about animals in a troll way. Today it's about creatures that live under the sea. Hold your breath, let's dive. Come swimming with me. Deep in the ocean, fish swim all around. Some sparkle with color, some hide on the ground. On the sandy floor, hiding still and slim, lives a little starfish. Let's wave at him. Here comes the biggest animal on planet Earth. The blue whale size shows its wonderful worth. As long as 3 buses lined up in a row, it's channel and giant is through the sea it goes. But oh, swimming quickly, a shark passes by. Some are huge, some are tiny, but all are spry. Hammerhead, bull shark, just to name a few. They're all swimming in the ocean blue. This is a jellyfish floating like a crown, but don't touch its tentacles, they can sting you down. And here is the octopus, clever and sly, with 8 wiggly legs and an inky goodbye. The ocean's amazing, so much to explore, with dolphins, turtles, eels, shrimp and more. Let's care for the sea, it's our job to protect, for every sea creature deserves our respect. Animals, animals from the ocean blue, so many wonders, now we've learned a few. Keep on exploring, there's always more to see. The ocean's full of magic for you and